Dear students, we are in chapter number 12, areas related to circle. In exercise 12.3, we have taken question number 15. Let us read the question. In figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter and a semicircle is drawn. This semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Now, dear students, here we have to find the area of this shaded region. How will find? Area of the shaded region is area of the semicircle. At first, let us explain this, then we shall proceed for the solution. Area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area. This area of the shaded part means area of this semicircle minus this area. Let us represent by area 1. Area of this part 1. Okay, now, so what it is actually? Area of semicircle minus, how to find this area of this part 1? Area of this part 1 or this region 1 we can easily find by area of the quadrant minus area of this. I repeat, here thing is that area of part 1 we need, region 1. How will find this area? This area means area of this bigger area of this quadrant minus area of this triangle. I hope it is understood. So this is area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. Okay, so area of part 1 is area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So we have to know the values of these three, then only we can find the area of the shaded region. So what is given here? The radius of quadrant. It is only given. How much? So let us represent it by R. It is 14 centimeters. So area of semicircle. This is the semicircle. We know that expression for area of a semicircle is half pi r square, but here this r is not known to us, so let us find this radius. Okay, here what is BC? BC is the diameter, so half of it will be the radius. Now question is how to find BC? We can find BC by using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is right angle as it is given, it is a quadrant. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, we have, that is BC square is AB square plus AC square, BC square. Now here radius is 14, this is 14 centimeter. So this is also 14 as it is the radius, they are equal radius. This is 14 square, this is 14 square, BC square. So this is 14 square plus 14 square, that is 2 into 14 square. There are two 14 square. So BC will be square root of this 2 into 14 square, that is BC will be, this is square root of 2 into root over 14 square is 14, this much centimeter. So what will be the value of bigger? That is half of this, 14 into root 2 divided by 2, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, so let us write big R equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, now we can find all this. Let us see how to do. Now dear student, now let us find the area of that shaded region by this formula. Area of shaded region is equal to, how we will find out? Area of semicircle minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. If we find individually the area of each, the sum will be very lengthy. That's why we are finding the values of area together. So area of semicircle, it is half pi bigger square minus area of quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of triangle ABC, half into base is AC, height is AB, AC into AB. Let us substitute the half. Pi is 22 by 7, that r is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus, this is 1 by 4, this pi is 22 by 7, okay. Then small r, radius of the quadrant is 14 into, as it is r square, so 14 into 14 we shall write, minus half AC, AC is 14, then AB is also 14 centimeter, okay. Then this 7 will get cancelled, this is 2 11, so 11 into this 7, root 2 into root 2 2 minus, so here 7 2 ja 2 2 2, then this 11 into 14, so let us multiply 14 into 11, this is 14 154, this is 154, this is 7, this is 98, so this is also 77, 154 minus 154 minus 98. Okay dear student, it is very easy now. 154 minus 154 plus 98, these two will get cancelled, so 98 centimeter square. So area of that shaded part is 98 centimeter square. Alright, thank you students.